If you're looking to save on web hosting without sacrificing quality, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a 75% discount on all Hostinger subscriptions in just 3 simple steps. Hostinger is already known for its highly competitive prices and exceptional performance, but with this offer, you can save even more. This isn't just a small discount, it's a massive 75% off all types of hosting. Whether you're looking for shared hosting, a VPS server, or WordPress hosting, this discount applies to all plans. So how can you take advantage of it? It's very simple. Here are the 3 steps to follow. Choose your Hostinger hosting plan. Whether you need to host a small blog, a business site, or even a more powerful server for an ambitious project, Hostinger has options for all needs. Add it to your cart. Once you've selected your plan, proceed to the checkout page. You'll already notice that the prices are super competitive, but we're about to make it even better. Enter our promo code in the video description. In the dedicated field, simply enter the code and watch the magic happen. You'll immediately see a 75% discount applied to your order. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy high-performance web hosting at an unbeatable price. Hostinger is an ideal option for both beginners and advanced users with an intuitive interface, fast loading times, and 24/7 customer support. And with this 75% discount, now is the perfect time to get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take your web project to the next level with Hostinger at an unbeatable price.